Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Home Cooking with Dana. Today I am going to share cabbage roll recipe with you guys. There are lots of ways to make cabbage rolls and this is my version of stuffed chicken cabbage rolls. And also if you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe so you can see new recipes.
Let's begin by preparing the cabbage leaves. Check out all the ingredients on the right side as well. I have a really big cabbage here. Firstly, slice the core out. Take the leaves up gently. I am going to use 5 big leaves. Now I am going to take the fibrous edges off and cut the leaves in half because these leaves are massive and enough to make 2 cabbage rolls. Boil some water and add 1 teaspoon of salt. Once the water is warm, add the leaves and cover it. Let the leaves cook for about 5 minutes. This helps for us to roll the leaves without breaking. You can also place the whole cabbage in the water and after removing core out. My cabbage is way too big and also I feel this way I am not wasting a whole cabbage as I only need few leaves. So our cabbage leaves are ready now, so take them out. Let's prepare the mince. I have chicken mince. Feel free to use any other meat you like. Add garlic and finely chopped onion, salt and pepper. Give this a good mix. Add 1 cup of coriander leaves and mix really well. Now we are ready to do the rolling. Place the steamed cabbage on a working surface and add meat mixture. Fold it and roll it as you can see. It's a very simple process. Now we are going to steam this again for about 10 minutes. So that will allow meat to cook. After 10 minutes, take the cabbage rolls out. Place a pan on the medium heat and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Place the steamed cabbage rolls and let this cook for about a minute or 2 and turn them around. This gives the cabbage rolls a beautiful char. Our cabbage rolls are ready now. This is a great appetizer idea and also a keto-friendly recipe. Serve with sauce. I'm using sweet chili sauce. This is also going really well with sweet soy sauce as well. Hope you like this recipe and see you next time.